Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday chaired a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security to review measures being taken amid the ongoing West Asia conflict. In the meeting, officials briefed the Prime Minister that sources of LPG and LNG are being expanded with new inflows from different countries, while domestic LPG prices have remained unchanged. What's the plan to address LPG crisis? Amid global uncertainty triggered by the Iran conflict, the government has laid out a multi-pronged strategy to ensure that LPG supply remains stable and accessible for citizens. Diversification of procurement. At the core of the plan is diversification of procurement. India is actively expanding its sourcing of LPG and LNG from multiple countries to reduce dependence on any single region and cushion supply disruptions arising from geopolitical tensions. Steps for uninterrupted delivery of LPG. The government has also prioritized logistics and supply chain stability, reviewing transport and distribution mechanisms to ensure uninterrupted delivery of LPG cylinders across states. This includes coordination with stakeholders in shipping, aviation and logistics sectors to avoid bottlenecks. Adequate coal stocks for coming months. To support overall energy security, parallel steps are being taken in the power sector. Authorities have ensured adequate coal stocks for the coming months, while also easing norms for gas-based power plants and increasing coal supply to thermal stations. These measures are aimed at reducing pressure on gas demand, indirectly stabilizing LPG availability. Expanding PNG connections. On the domestic front, piped natural gas connections are being expanded, offering an alternative to LPG usage in urban areas and easing demand on cylinder supplies. Preventing hoarding, black marketing. The centre has also ramped up real-time monitoring mechanisms, setting up control rooms and working closely with states under the Essential Commodities Act to prevent hoarding, black marketing or diversion of LPG supplies. Beyond fuel, the meeting reviewed preparedness across key sectors like agriculture and fertilizers, ensuring that broader supply chains remain intact during the crisis. Prime Minister Modi further stressed the importance of timely and accurate information dissemination to prevent panic or misinformation among the public, while directing departments to stay alert and responsive to the evolving global situation. Overall, the government's approach combines supply diversification, infrastructure readiness, and strict monitoring, aimed at ensuring that households remain insulated from any immediate LPG crisis despite global tensions.